17 years old. Mahal mo rin ako. Thank you so much. Good evening. Good evening, madlang people. Hi, 1 million. $1 million in the house. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Who are you? Thank you for watching. Ikaw na sana ang magkasama sa bukas na darating pa. Mahal kita simula pa nung una, dahil mahal mo rin ako. Silbing pag-asa. Thank you, 3 people in the house. How are you? Wait lang. In chair. Hi, Scatters Patters. Welcome back. What happened to your Filipina? You find your Filipina, Sir Scatters Patter? You find your Filipina? Thank you so much. Thank you for the like. All I seen was a chair. You need me? Why should I need you? Why should I need you, Dazen Raid? What happened? Kain na din. May ulam mo.
Hindi mo sagpa ako.
Ah.
Kaya na ano? Merienda.
Nagmerienda ka kanin. And no luck in finding here. Why? Why maybe you need to go here in the Philippines and you need to going to Cebu to find your Filipina. My God. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, 7 million in the house. Where are you from? Chipuan, the sea people. I am going there soon, but I don't know if I can find here. I don't know why she didn't give you the exact address, something like that. If she really love you, no hiding, no secret, something like that. Kili Kili rebel! What should I Kili Kili? Why you want my Kili Kili? Hmm? I really need a... Huh? So nice. Oh my god. You know what, Natty Lids? I hate uh I hate toxic like you. Sorry. I don't have time to entertain you, Natty Lids. Nino John just Lul. I am going there, so you need to one. You need to Sir Scatters. Scatter, you need to what she said about you. So that's why it's confusing about your Cebuana Filipina. Confusing. Who's toxic? Toxic, someone disrespecting me. The Natalogs. Natalogs, something like see, not good. Wow. Almost a statue to stand. Thank you, three people. Thank you, three people. Thank you so much. You have a nice figure. You met Milano. Thank you. Well, I got married for 10 years. Think she knew that and told people she knows to not tell me anything. Well, I get married for huh? You married? Are you married here in 10 years? Something like that. Hello, Ronaldo. I don't understand your story, sir. Scatter Spatter. That's why your story is changing. No hair before I got married. No hair before I got married. Okay. Huh? So are you married now? From the another woman. Ahmad, why you say that? You don't know me. So sorry, Scatter. You married to another woman. I'm 45 years old. No divorce now. So that's why you need to find your Filipina, your Bisaya, your Cebuana Filipina, right? So that's why. So your Cebuana Filipina, she's no, she already know that you are married, right? Or she already know that you are married and divorced. Teeny bit son. No, no need to marry me because I'm engaged. I'm married to another man. I'm married to my man. So I'm not available. Teeny bit son. Married to another. Not me. Don't me. Hi, CB. Hello, Cheryl. It's me, Mike. Friend Much. It's you, Mike. I'm Jeremy. What is your real name, Mike or Jeremy? Do you have a sister? I have a sister, but they're already married. They're not single. Probably you get hit on lots here, huh? Serendays, Serendays, Amen. My real name is Jeremy. Why you save your mind if your name is Jeremy? I'm friends with your fiance. Oh, really? Your friends is your fiance? Where are you from? Jeremy. Where are you from? It's YouTube. Men are going to shoot their slots, their shot. It's YouTube men are going to shoot their shot. What it means? Do you have like Canada? I like Canada. It's good as Canada. Good country. I was saying I was friends with Mike. Okay, I'm from Florida. Ah, okay, you're Mike's friend. Okay. Nice to meet you, Sir Jeremy. My Mike's friend. Nice to meet you pa. Solo Mali Bonsu. Hi. Solo Mali. Jeremy from Florida, my Mike's friend. Nice to meet you. Well, I mean you're pretty man. I'm going to try get you. That's okay. Try to get me, but I am already engaged. They never get me. Nice to meet you, darling, and congratulations to you and your man. Much love and respect. Thank you, Sir Jeremy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Peekaboo. Sir James. Hi, Sir James. Do you like my last name? Why? What is your last name? Your last name is Tembetson, something like that. I know that. Yeah. Thank you, Scatter Potters. I stood in my sleep. Thank you so much. James, seeing you on our channel. Morocco, Morocco. Morocco, Morocco.
Ano ka na? kita.
Hmm?
Bintang na na.
Wala pa.
Wow! God.
Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Kain na kayo.
Wow, malinig yun. Hindi lang pagpumutang sa kuryente pa. Hero.
Jim just says anything his goodbye. How is Scatter word? Spotter's word.
Tara,
If you are a Muslim, remove that cross from your chest. I'm not a Muslim. Sorry.
may tubig-tubig.
Do you want kids? I already have a kid.
Not kids, but
If
kids.
I having a kid from my future hobby. Pizza lul. EDHD, hellos. Hellos.
Ito. Ang luto niya, sirang-sirang pwede.
Fine.
Hindi ako.
Ah,
Sirang-sirang pwede. Ito pala, musga pa. Ito,
kaon na. Sige na, kaon na.
hindi sa ako, okay na ako din.
Ako na, okay na ako din. Sorry, excuse me. Bless me. Double tap, guys. Let's go.
Okay ka man? Ramok-ramok ka lang. Ramok-ramok.
Kompleto na kamo 20.
Ulang papat.
Apat.
Where is your hobby? My
Naman
hobby
napagpuro
is
sa
in another
dalan.
Sabi
country.
mo, mabenta ka.
He resting.
Ako?
Rest.
Naintra. Balik, kita niya.
Sabi kuya.
Sino na kaya?
Bumbal. Kapag lang mo si tita, sabi.
Kita.
Ikaw.
Di man mauli yun sa ano sa audio.
Oh, muli na ako sa umaga.
Ang daw.
Staring at you, please stand up, beautiful. Why? If I stand up, should I receive $1,000? I still want to marry you and have a beautiful babies. Oh my God! Why you say that? I don't have a husband, lol. Sir James, of course. You could have better life here in Canada with me. Why? You are, why? What is your life there? James, he would treat you right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kaya na din. USA, you are from USA, EDHD, Canadians, oh my God. May ulam dun. Dun.
Sarap eh.
Parang
Parang,
parang dyan, okay na.
okay na.
I'm Canadian. I live in Alberta. Ah, really, sir? Scatter? Wow, Scatters, I'm blushing. Haha. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much for the like. Your husband is lucky, just saying. My hubby, my future. Canada is a very beautiful and clean. Wow. Trabaho pa si papa mo.
Sa Baguio, nag-ano siya, babantay kang yung nagbabako, yung nagpapatag ng lupa.
Ah, saan? Sa Montalban?
Sa Baguio. Ano nga si mama eh.
Ah,
Si mama naman, ang ginagawa niya, tagaluto lang sa mga nagtatrabaho. Pero may sweldo rin siya.
Canada was beautiful before we got Muslim.
Tama na, no?
Huh? So was Michigan, bro. Michigan. Sounds racist, I know, but they're going it here. Oh my. Hi, Clem. For not long, seen how many Indians in Canada now? A lot of Indians in Canada. Not racist, it's facts. Yeah, it's a fact. And tonight falling. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall around. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Looks like area here. That's why I live in the mountains. I live in the mountains now. Wala na. Upo ka na dito, Adi mo. Sige na. Upo ka na dyan.
Daw.
Sige na. Ito. Mountain. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Where are you streaming from? Watching from Tokyo, Japan. I'm from Tokyo, Japan. You're so beautiful. Oh my God, thank you so much. Excuse me. Moguchan channel. Thank you. Thank you. Like your cross, Nicholas. Always good to have Christ near your heart. Thank you. Amen. Amen. And the night fall and you're not here, you give me joy. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, watching. I am reading the comments, that's why. Amen. I live in the county to gated community peaceful. Here, I live here in the province. That's why peaceful here than the city. You look way younger than your age, Cheryl. Oh, thank you, Sir Scatter Pattern. Scatter Spatters. Thank you so much. God bless you. Your smile is so cute. Thank you. Spirit. You're welcome. Hi, artists. Hey, sunshine. I'm a sunshine until the rain. Sure, you gotta try sugar-free peanut butter. What is that? Peanut butter gilad too soon? I will look and then I try. You're also beautiful, so beautiful. Thank you, Sir Artie. I agree, Artie. Thank you, guys. Yogurt ice cream. Maybe you, Sir James, maybe you need to, sponsoring the, yogurt ice cream. What are you doing today? I'm doing live.
Mapinis.
There's no such thing. There's no such thing as sugar free in the Philippines. It's all triple sugar. It's all triple sugar. Why don't you live with your hubby? My hubby is not yet here. My hubby is living in another country. He coming back here in September. Cheryl, I think you confused about your age. Look, 25. How I wish I'm 25 years old, Sir James. How I wish I'm young. I'm more than, the half year. Half age. Oh my God, half age. Do I look young? Oh my God. Oh my God, how I wish. Just get a passport. Yeah, Happy has a weak acne. Apnea. Apnea? Oh. Thank you, 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes. What's the weather like there? Warm weather here in the Philippines. Here in the province where I live. Sponsor a cheeseburger Lul. Yeah, cheeseburger. It's a sponsor for a cheeseburger, like bunch. Oh my God, maybe I'm getting fat. Casper, why are not you at the beach? We're going to the beach, maybe something like days, something. Does your husband work out of the country? My future hubby is in America. Hello, beautiful, and greetings from the Netherlands. Hi from Netherlands. He sounds like a walrus on pant just breathing. Oh, uh-huh. Learn what it means. What learn? What it means? I want a Filipino wife. If you want a Filipino wife, you need to go to Cebu because in Cebu, a lot of Filipina. When you go to Cebu, the Cebuana is beautiful. Bisaya. They will break your heart. Why? Can you help me out? Hmm? Help you out? What should I help you? A walrus, oh boy, I'm a silverback gorilla. That's okay. American girls are they just this taller from you? Huh? What? Rather have him break my heart and steal. Trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to grow your channel. Hi. Just give up. Don't give up. Keep going. Don't forget to subscribe and double tap, my brothers. Thank you so much, Sir James. Bro is decrepit. Decrepit. What decrepit means? Sir Clarence. American girls just steal your money. Huh? American girls steal your... Huh? I'm not desperate, dude. American is, why? Why you say that? Taz? Maybe I think not only American. Because a lot of Filipina is foreigner. So that's why you need to be careful. Oh, gold digger. Not only American, not only some of the Filipino are a gold digger. They just only want foreigners' money. And Filipinos deeply don't look. Not only American gold diggers. Some Filipina, not all Filipina. Some Filipino are gold digger. So that's why you need to be careful. Find the woman. Philippine not going to change that look. Trying to make conversation. I ain't allowed her. What's his name? Clem. That's just how American girls are. Okay, I'm desperate for a cheeseburger. Where's my cheeseburger? Where are you from, Taz? Where are you from? Yes, but a lot of the Philippines are more friendly. You know, more smiling. Their vibes are a lot better. Yes. Yes, that's right. But not all are kind. Even they are friendly. They even they are a good, entertaining good. So not all. believe social media. They trying to pretend they just some many pretend they are okay, they are good, they are loving one, but boss the corner. But the hidden agenda meeting the corner is just like the money,
Yes, Lord. Ay, Diyos.
the love. You living in America.
Ay, Diyos, Lord.
Oh my
Sa'yo,
God.
kapatid ka man.
My future hobby is in America.
Ay, ka.
Been around the world, almost women are the same, just saying yes.
practice. Namo. Ay, gusto na kung practice dito, Lord.
Been around the world, just a real talk. Scott will find love when he not looking for it. When are you going to US in September? No. My future hubby, he's going here on September. So I need to put to my friends here. Thank you so much for joining. Been around the world, America. Geraldo, hello. When are you going to US? No, going to the US. Okay, so there's a YouTuber called Van Boys, and he's over there in the Philippines. He make it like everybody's like it's everyone nice, but I'm glad you cleared that up. Like not everyone is peachy. Not everyone is something like that. He's been there, your turn to go there. Diba? True, yes. Hi, Geraldo, what's up, big dog? Big dog. Hi from Belgium, Europe. Hi, Special 2024 from Belgium. Thank you so much for joining me. Meet me a month. I'm fine. Thank you so much. I'm fine. Specialty 2024. Van Boy is a keeper. Okay. Thank you. Why? Yeah, yes. How there? Going to block everyone. No, just kidding. It's fine. It's up to you. Pepper needs love too. Hi, Sir Tom. Sir Joshua, hello. Meet my sister. Hi, Tia Chang. Tia Chang, hello. Oh my God. Tia Chang, hello, Sir Tia. Put me in timeout, scatters. I'm babbling. We're to eat na. Wait everyone. Wait everyone. We're going to eat. Welcome to my vlog. My sisters. Jim. James is preparing it loud. Thank you so much. I'm sorry.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Sabi niya, paulit-ulit yung sinasabi mo ah. Welcome to my vlog. Okay.
Okay, alright.
Kaon ko lang.
Come on, let's eat. I'm a sister, you sister. How sweet naman. Ay, ako na. Sabi ko naman. Bitter baga. Bitter na. May masaya. Parang masama ang pakiramdam pag may nakikita masaya. Masama ang pakiramdam pag may nakikita umaangat. Para akong lalagnatin.
Ikaw na.
Kaya dito, Ade.
Oo, nagkaroon. Sabi ko, kaya mo kayo kasi okay na ako sa pagkain ko ng pag-isira dyan dito.
Yeah.
Oo, masarap daw.
Answer na niya.
Oh, mau nga niya mo dyan. Nice. That's nice on you. Hi, Pilette. 11 likes in her. Come on, everybody. Hit that thumbs up, please, to call Cheryl. Thank you, Daz. Sir Jamie. Hello from the States. We're from the States. You're so funny.
Ha?
Funny. Hello, brother. Like the new shorts. He's my sister's son. Been drinking all night.
Isla ba ka mo
Sisi,
ka?
Kansas, USA.
Isla ba ka mo?
Lulupan.
Ay, mayroon ba?
Lulupan.
Lulupan?
Anis da pa na naman, hindi lulupan. Sa iyo na lulupan.
Siyo kaya ang tamo. Ano pa kayo ng pan? Karingan mga desi.
Lulupan din.
Ikaw, managap?
Tawagan si mama yung makao. Ngayon, sige.
Kuha man tabi dito, Kuya Gab, ano, inuda. Salamat. Alam ko namin medyo emotional siya kasi naalala niya yung mga panahon na pag may erosyon, first time siya sa erosyon. Para Earth.
Siyempre, naminis din na sa tao. Hello, mother. Where are you?
Kaon na, kaon. Ikaw ka na, mamay? Buda mo rapat, sige ka nagkakaon.
Ah.
Oo nga. Isda ko, inumpan.
Lulupan?
Inumpan.
Ay, nakuha gulay. Nagluduan. Limit ko ang live ko.
Ay, wala
Oo nga, ka ba?
Ito ang totoo. May live na ano daw? My love!
I love ka na naman.
I love you! Yeah, she's so dang. Nip you handsome your man. Yes.
My love na naman.
She is happy. My love, my life.
Ano ka? Natay? Baby ka na lang mayo. Luwagan mo na lang, ikaw.
Ano daw?
Nata nila siya.
Gab.
Not here.
Tadi kan.
Liman. Eh, ano lang, nagbunot lang siya.
Ha?
Nagbunot lang.
Ay, pili man sa ako. Umpan. Hindi naman ko pa daw.
Hindi kasi makaon.
Papa.
Bara kami bagyo. Ayaw, bagyo pa naman.
Dito daga. Kita ko daw kung ano, di ba? Maabot, sabi sabi. Bird ba? Kung typhoon daw eh. Mga tulad.
Papunta na sa Taiwan, di ba?
Ano mga tulad ako nung sa
Ito ang si mama. bulunan, hindi ba ganito ka makahango?
Yes, good dinner. Nagkaano si Binda?
Paano? Ako mag-dupos gagawin.
Atap man?
At ang dugot mag-dupos. Ako dugot po wal tapit ka.
May plano na pumunta. Ano yung kanya naman?
Nambot. Nag-single ko ng government na lang. Kaya bakit? Tayo pupunta kami ngayon.
Ano may gagawin?
Oo.
Sakto ka. Pada ito sa nito ka.
Oh. Ano ka, nagmumuni-muni ka?
Masyado.
Mumuni-muni ka. Malayo na naman yung iniisip mo.
Ano?
Gusto. Don't worry. Makakasurvive din tayo.
Iniisip niya kung saan niya gagamitin ang pera niya.
Ano yan?
Kung paano niya gagastusin.
Iniisip niya bang ano lang matira. Huwag ka mag-isip ng negative. Always think positive.
Sabi ba na, law of attraction.
Basta isipin mo na lang.
Isipin mo lang, okay lang.
Kaya yan.
Hello, welcome to my life. Ito ang original. Hinimod ko ang life ko. Ito ang gusto ko na life. Hinimod ko ang life ko.
Siya yung anti-stalker ng live niya. Ini-stalk mo yung live niya.
Gusto ko ang sarili ko. Kasi mga nagbabackstak sa ako habang nakatalikod ako. Erickson na looks like, yan ah. Thank you. Pakain ko. Wala kami ulam eh. Pakain naman. Wala. Pakain, ma'am. Bigyan mo kami ulam. Kasi lang ulam namin. Pinagati-hatian pa namin. Baka naman. Hi, Spatter. Thank you.
Ano pa yung...
Sili talaga. Vitamins mo ha? Una lang. Ganun pa lang po. Ha? Hindi, natural na. Natural lang. Itong kalabak. Pag yung babay ka, maon na laba. Ano ko, natural lang yun. Di pala natural.
Yes, we can bring the food because our food is
Babay
limited.
naman ang ako.
Like and subscribe, Fox and Fox. Thank you, Spatters. Fox and Fox.
Ilan ka makulog? Para kasi ito ko.
Ano kaya yun?
Good naraot.
Kasi nung bata ka pa. Bakit na ba nagbubit ang luwag ng nagtayo-tayo at ako? Subila, pinabon.
I am
Pag magkarigos ka, irugo mo sa daan,
Yes, fish all the time.
Tapos
Also
magtuwad ka.
hunting. Go hunting.
Ay, pagkain. Talagang sick.
Parang yung mo itong kuya.
Ano yun? Ayo. So, break na naman ang gabi. Thank the Lord. Thanks the Lord.
Wala pong ganyan eh.
Dám, quality. Dám, perfect.
Yeah, yes, right.
Maganda lasa. Grabe mahal mo. Durong gabi mga posogo.
Hindi bang kung ito ng pauli o na bata niya ng
Ha?
Hindi ko punta na kauli.
Ang paulit. Ang paulit.
Saan nakakuha na no ha?
Buti mo pagtimpla ka. Tinakaw.
Ano sa na lang?
Hindi mo na.
Ewan ka na.
Ay, pangalawa. Bakit ito ka sa pagsasunod?
Sabi na niya to ano?
Sabi ko ba din sabihin ko.
Thank you. Do you do the same? I save your info. Huh? Okay. Have a good day, bro. See you next spring. Have a good day. Catch you later, bro. I'm going jogging. Okay po. Oh yes, lots of whaley in Canada but never fresh there yet. Fish Lake area along the Canada border that line Lake area good for wildlife and
Ano?
fish.
Ay, pinala ka man.
Take care, Sir James. Yeah, of course. Sure, brother. I will look you up after. From Sir Scatter.
Sabi natin sino. Ayun. OMG. What's happening? Ikaw ang
Ano sa mood? Yeah, di ba?
Nagtatago ka ni kanang siyan. Kanang paraan na. My God.
Ay, thank you. Kanina pa ako napansin. Din.
Kanang waraw ka, pisa.
Rebel na. Tama. Pudan mo.
Oh, nahay. Tutok ngayon kumensay mo. Dahil.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello.
Nakibot ang bide.
Then you are my mind.
Alam ko, makapi na naman ito nakasot na.
Sino yan?
Ng baso.
Bimbol.
Thank you. He's with her. How was your dinner? My dinner is. Huh? Bye bye, Cheryl. Bye, Sir James. The dinner is good. Excuse me. Hi, thank you for watching. Antique and social. Thank you. I feel full. Got me sweeping my house now. Sweeping your house now. Gotcha. Gotcha, makulat. Cause when you lay there. Thank you for watching. My daughter is here every day cleaning. She better with all the money I give her. Oh my god. That's good. How many kids do you have, Sir Scatters? How many kids do you have? Me, I want more kids with my future hobby. Girl. Hi, Elias. Hi, Elias. I got 5 boys and oh my god, you have lots of kids. 5. I got 5 boys and 7. Oh my god. 7 and 1 woman. What about the other? Oh my god. Greetings from Antalya. Hey Elias from Antalya. You have lots of kids. Too much boom boom. Oh my god. How is the cost there? Cost of what? Taz. What do you mean? Cost of food, cost of living, something like that. Yes, I want more kids. Oh my god, too much kids. Too much kids. Maybe you're rich because you have lots of kids. Oh my god, All grown, I miss it. All grown, I miss it. Oh my god. There's 7 people. No, not rich. I wish, lol. I have 3 grandchildren, all babies. Oh my god, you already have a grandchildren? Oh my life.
Sabihin pa no. Ngirito no, umikit siya. Sino yun? Sino naman na nadipon to? Ay, naloloko mo.
Nadipon. Nadipon.
Malulungkot naman.
Thank you, 16 people.
Yeah. Si Mauwi ka naman sa Manila. Manila, Bembol. Nagasan pa kayo. Masabi na naman ako. Naduwa.
Ha?
Kumakapit ka na naman. Kailangan mo ng baso. Tinawa sila.
Yes, love them so much.
Ikaw ba ito? Bilang si hindi na naturipan.
Mga coffee lover and people here.
Private kami ni ano. Ay, lakaw.
Ay, buti na kamarikod. Naka-erode na na. Wala mo sa
Tinawa si Mike. Sabi ni Mike, oh, I see your sister. That, ano daw niya, di ko ang kunod siya pili pag-irog sa marimod na niya. Di ba niya akalain? Then sabi niya, na-realize niya na nasa camera siya na tinawa siya dito sa part na yun. Na-realize ang system mo na nasa live pala siya nasa camera. Kaya, nakatawa naman. Thank you, 18 people in the house. Thank you. Where are you from?
Wow,
Pero inog-inog niya. Oh, likali. Likali.
Kagaya ni Babang.
Likali. Oy,
Thank you, 16 people.
Sino yung kawali? Uy. Diretso.
Thank you, Larking. No need to Larking. What? You can see something. You can send a guest. You can say anything.
Kasura ako plastic na.
They're shy. They don't want to talk. Okay. It's okay. No worries.
Pwede darang dito.
No worries.
Ipalis mo na lang. Kaya yung binutang mo sa itong plastic. Ito na, bounce yung pakal. Nabibigyan ito.
Sabi ko siya mo po kumain ka sa sako. Hindi mo ba ito kaya? Ano ito, di ba?
Napag mo ako saga.
They're shy. They don't.
Happy kasama ka.
Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli. Tirit, 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 tirit.
Mobile na sa?
How much kids you have? One.
3. 1.
Only one. Bumili. Can't afford more kids because life is not so easy.
Too easy.
How missing food?
No easy food.
That's because of the sugar. Maybe something like that. Because of chocolate.
Huh?
May step kita guys.
Huh?
Mali.
Ang paga. Nakaw pa lang. Busog pa ako. Busog pa. Pwede ko niya na lang ako naradal. Mamaya ako sa sarahan mo.
Pagkasira. Mapanit ka?
Charger ba?
Salamat.
Kalimutan ko, may
Kailangan
mga
eh.
Ha?
galing ko sa baklayan doon.
Ah, galing ka doon?
Hindi, nilagay sa akin itong alas 3, balik ng
Ah, pumunta ka doon?
Hindi, hindi kala Kuya King.
Ah,
Kung ngayon sino malibit ka na ito,
Alin?
puro sa kulay na, puro putik na ito eh.
Charger.
Bagong pitas.
Ano yan?
you live in the city or the country? I live in, the province,
No
not the
problem.
city.
Nasa
Countryside.
Nasa call.
Hindi, may bitbit ko, hindi ba kasi nagbitbit. Hindi, meron ngayon parang bilaon, parang puro puno.
Hala, tita.
Hello. It's alright.
Dito, tagalog flowers sa inyo.
Ay.
So guys,
I'm
malis
your
step kita.
lady, and you are my mind. It's alright.
Tumahan namin yung over eh.
Ito gayo. She look like you. Oh, really? Thank you.
Tita, yun na. Mag-iwag ka na. Enggak.
Kakahiya magbentahan.
She's cutie. Thank you po. Are you hitting the like on the way in? Huh?
Hindi kita ulo. Kita.
Tama na. Kaya bawal ang bata.
Ano? Pwede?
Bawal na.
Pwede?
Ano ako sa maluban ako.
Ay, ban.
Ano niya?
Thank you. She's
Tayo ng ban.
Bigay.
Ay, ibig sabihin isang ban bawal. Ano?
Tignan.
Please.
Ang trip niya naman mangga.
Kaya mo kami isang din man. Nakinigit yun.
Ang sino?
Diba? Yan, no?
Diyan.
Kaya yan, galing ko sa Maclayon dahil puro-puro nga ito yung inugasan namin yun. Kalimutan ko na gala ko. Kaya po itong alas 3, hapon na ano.
Ay, galing bakla yun. Nanay din niya. Ito pa ka pala ako. Kagandahan.
No, she's not my baby. She's my niece.
Oh,
My brother's daughter.
kita. Pasingit. Hmm. Pasingit. Pasingit. Hmm. Hmm.
Ay, isa pa nag-ulay kami. Gabi na.
Oh, she looks like exactly like you. Oh.
Ano ba yung nagkatawag? Bumokol kasi.
Bibili ka sila ka nga. Sige na.
Hi, Sir Jess. Oh my God. How are ya? Jess, thank you for joining just about 7 a.m. here. 7 a.m. there. Philippine, American time. American time. Where are you from, Sir Scatter, Canada?
Fake news.
Fake
Fake news.
Mm.
Fake news, guys.
Alberta, Canada. Okay po. Alberta, Canada.
Ano trabaho niyo?
Girigil ako.
Ba't yung kagigigil mo sa madam ka? You ever find yourself down this way? Come say, how are you? Huh? Hi? You ever find yourself down this way? Come say hi. Hi! Thank you, Etienne.
Sa Manila.
Mapod na.
Sa 20.
O, may klase na pa na ko siya.
Sama na daw siya sa ako sa tuloy.
Kailan ang same break nyo?
Goodbye.
Puntahan ka na lang namin doon. Luwas naman ako. Ay, sa September pala, ano? Sa Manila na pala ako na siya susunduin.
Goodbye.
Hindi siya mapista.
Dire. Kay September pa mananuli niya.
Hindi, pista sa punto.
Oo.
Butan pa niya.
Saglit man lang kami dito, mga 1 week man lang kami dito.
Saan kita malakwat siya?
Sa aga, may duty ko no kami ni Ramana Inol. Maghapon ko no kami, kaya gano'n ko na himon mi. Bari Sabado matimbang kami, oh my God. Sabado paka-out.
Bahala.
Paka-out ko sa Sabado. Tapos sa Domingo mapadagat kita.
Papa?
Dagat. Kita lang. Ah! Kita lang. Nakaready ng binsot ko.
Ang disukan ko.
Ang kapeto. I will take you and your husband on a trip to see beautiful.
Yeah! Transfer! Oh,
Yeah, yung run! Nakatukok ko na, nagtirin ko ng tawag.
Internet
Talsik mo
connection
lumalaway.
problem here. Sorry.
Hindi mo may tatanggi o may bibilin.
Internet connection problem. Sorry guys.
Ang tawag mo. Hindi ba nabuwan mo yun?
gusto mo, bakit mapasan dito na?
Pas na si kahapon. I will be.
Sa pagmuro. 3 weeks. Tapos, na-request ka ba? Ano yun? Awa ka sa ano? Nagkaroon ng kumpanya. Kung sabing anak ka ng mayaman sa capital city.
Yung video,
Oh my God.
ang apps mo lang gusto na nalaman. Ang ads. Ang mo dyan.
It happens. Yes,
Pag ginagawa mo
it
bawal na
happens.
try ko na yun. Ito. Ito yung lalo na kapag nangalan kasi kapag nangalan.
Baka tangalit ano, yung bakalan na kanirito.
Ito, sa meron isa na dito, dahil.
Hi, Missy Finn. Hi, Missy Finn.
Ganun yan.
Missy Finn.
Kapag naman din yung ito, ito na. Bakit dito pag ano ko? Ano bakit dito?
Tulo na.
Ulit na sa langit, ay!
Sige, sige. Tapos sige tayo din ang tagot ka sa kayo. Ang tagot na yun para ano. Ayan, sorry.
Okay na.
Hindi ka malawas. Ano? Ay, dire, yan natin dito para ano, baba ka rin ng isda. Minsan,
Ayat. Okay.
okay. Araw-araw, ay, dire mo sila. Punasan na si Kimo. Ang marami mo. Wala.
Ang tapos mo.
Ito lang ako karami. Karami.
Ha?
Karami.
Wala. Ayun na palang doon ako nila. Ayun niya, oh. Doon pa nga, salaran ko na ano ba ito? Paano ko yung naging close na hayo? Ano talagang katampal ko? Bira ko lang din pa. Kampal ko rin. Hindi mo ito, paano ko yung naging
Thank you sa likes. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you. Thank you.
Christian?
Bebe.
Are we Christian?
Hi.
Malaki ng baga ha. Malaki ng pasok na ako na.
Malaki ang naglawa. Birit nga na may nakawas-liwas ka na mga.
Bakit mo na itanong ko? Hindi mo pala.
Domingo. Ano daw yung sagot ako?
Domingo?
Nasagot ako na nagmasang makakarigot.
Domingo? Domingo?
Nalagay ko siya karigot.
Marilis ka na ulit? Oh my God!
Paido, sister. Sakto, magala.
Mapadalat kita.
Ma?
Kami sa dagat.
Mango. Mango, guys.
Kaya ba nalulutang ka na eh? Hindi ko makuha ka ng pera ka eh.
Mango.
Bayad na siya sa iyo.
Ano daw? Marilis ko na siya sa naging sa Domingo. Dapat natuwa ka. Marilis. Kayo nalulungkot ka.
Ang tito na ako kan-break mo yun. Sobra.
Always think positive. Nalulungkot siya kasi mamimiss niya ang mga kadalanan niya. Thank you!
Tutukalan naman yun. May doon rin.
Ma-doon ulit niya sa mga 18. Sa 18.
Mango, guys.
Wow! Marilis may coming. Out coming. Eh, may in, may out.
Dito na yun ang business mo. Iyon na pala. Mabatog na yung mayaman sa ito. Pautang daw.
Tara. Pera. Sarado. Name your price. Name your Sasabi na si Mundo San. Matang ka, name your price.
Price.
Name your price. Ngayon, hindi ni.
Pagdako-dako ng sobra nag-invest na ulit sa mundo.
Pada, sigurado da? Bago ka dyan.
At, kasi mo.
Hindi mo lang ito.
Ha? Wala na mga tuto, wala na po yung dito. Hindi ko na alam dito ang pag-welding. Hindi ako na nag-welding. Mahawatak ka talaga. Sinangit ako pero may magpailya. Pag nagpailya na, kaya na.
Talaga yun.
Kanina, kaysa ni Jerome. Building nga daw yung kuya din mo. Ito na ang Gilbar. Yan sa taas. Mandokin. Hindi niya pag-gurukon. Panukot ako kay Paromilya.
Hello.
Dumukot ko na, hindi ko mahulbot. Irinit na na. Ito sa isa din na nabuhay. Irinit ko. Alala! Alala!
Parang ito.
Diyan kay nali ko na yung irinit ko na. Naburulaan na. Ano? Guys, ano?
Tita. Tita.
Murulag na na.
Malungkot si Dada. I-release na niya. I-release na mga pages niya.
Gusto ko mangga. Kuha na yung. Kuha na.
Nalapit ka saan ang Domingo? Wednesday?
12.
Ah, Dulce.
Pag-mission niya to, pagkalit ko sa ko. Gasa, sila ang paliwa kung pagkala luto.
Kuha naman niya dito. Kuha naman niya dito.
Ano yan din dito?
Bawal din babae.
Ay pa.
Bawal din babae.
Bakit? Dito pa lang.
Hindi din lalaki. Kumbut ko.
Sabi ko.
Diba?
Ba?
Ay, nasinta. Yung pag mga ito.
Bukin ko. Ako pupunta ang meeting ko.
Beauty. Doon. Doon. Ayaw dyan. Buta dyan. Beauty, hello.
Pag yun na mag... Pag yun na mag ano, hinog.
Yung cellphone ko.
Sarap. Mangga yan.
Tiririt. Mali.
Ang liso sa imo.
I like your dress. I like my dress. Thank you.
Liso sa imo.
Wala.
Wala pa lang.
Paano slip? Paano slip?
Sabi na.
Hello.
Ano ba ka?
Nakot lang.
Tan.
Dere ka na. Erap lang sa
Wala na yun,
Kasi
bro.
pag
Para
pag
masagad
iniisip
ka sa
mo,
sisi.
1, 2, tapos mayroon ka sa ano. Ano?
Ano trati da?
Benta yun, di ka
Ano na,
nagmamahal.
mayroon siya dito.
Dapat pag-irap ka na sa mga point.
Ano ka nagpalista?
Na.
Oo.
Nakalista na ako dito. Hindi lang ako magpasok eh. Kaya dito na ako.
Kami ni kami bon exempted sa practice.
Oo, mandili.
Naman ako, naimod mo ako yado dito, wala daw ko noon.
Pag ano.
Kaya ba ka? Huwag mo kumain pa.
Nilista ako lagi.
Sino?
Tira.
Mira.
Ilay.
Hindi ko man magpapara.
Init. Yung kinit.
Kyodo.
Siudo na ayaw, kabawol.
Kyodo nga. Kyodo.
Taga Parocono.
Kyodo.
Parocono. Luno ko yung papaibi ito sa ano, sa trash talk.
Saan balay?
Oo, sa may kampang nara.
Mira, ano?
Liya.
Lia.
Liya.
Lia.
Lia? Ah, kara ano mare?
Ah.
Ay, kara ano mare?
Para
Maria?
Mm-mm.
Bata yun sa may hindi, di ba? Na lalaki?
Ano sa itsura?
Ulo. Kaya maputi yun, maputi.
Ah, puti.
Balulo yun, itsura.
Ah.
Nagawid ni ano? Maria.
Pag una ko dati, yung kamangot pa yung ni Ramirel.
Ay, doon yung nakalitan. Parang dad.
college na yun.
Bata yung Gila?
Ah. Sheila.
Hindi magkamangot ka, ma'am.
Ah, basta yun.
Sila. Amen.
Sheila man ang pangalan naman niya.
Masa na.
Bukas para tita, ano? Nini?
Hmm.
Ayaw mo dito nini, papot ni Gabi mo, kumipari ako sa 5,000. 5,000 nilo.
Oo!
Nabuto mo kayo kumipari sa 5,000. Ano yung wara? Uri mo yan. Uri mo, wara. Wara ko na sige. Wara ko na sige. Kaya na. Buha mo.
Wara-wara.
Nakuha nila lang.
Ano na? Online ka na?
Oh. Ito pa natin doon.
Ipayungat na lang ko. Ang ulo ko na agad.
Wala.
Bakit ako gabi?
Pag sagot ko, Pag una kumakapi pa, makaigba na natin. Turog na.
Naman yung iba ng lahat. Kaya pagpatulog
Double
lang
tap. Let's go. Thank you,
Si
Taz. Thank you, Sir
ano,
Taz.
nagpainom, dugong.
Hmm.
Sigurado ako, saro lang yun.
Hindi
Kaya
lang.
ito,
Bauti.
pneumonia.
Si Romnick pa. Bukusabon talaga yung Romnick na.
Pero nagkalaga, pag nagkape may mga nanadlang sa inyo.
Ay,
Dito ni Goli doon, iubo ko na. Abo sambitin.
Ako lang bitin na eh.
Sino?
Romnick.
From Nick Galido.
Imbis na saro lang, nagdagdagan pa.
Nana, ano mo niyo?
Tao?
Wow.
Nakaduwa pa yung tinagbakal.
Tulo. Baka tuwintero.
Yung ang kanto, di ba? Ano yun na kanto, Jim? Ako kanto.
Yung tuwa. Naman ko dito kayo kung collab. Pero di ko ito mamati yung pag-aga kung collab ang mga ulo. Kanto? Kanta doon. Puro bulan ulo pagkaka, buon lang magbuwa. Hindi rin nagtuturog na alas 12, tunuro.
Ako nawatan na ako magturog, imbis na maturog na ako bago mga alas 3. Kumaon ako sa ang gaway. Eh, hindi mo ko nasawsawan niya, Dio. Intero pag nagawa niya, buhos ako. Bulit ka na naharang na yun. Pundo ako.
Ito masira mo sa usapang kong tao.
Kaya, malaki yung bus na.
Ano? Yung barya? Kaya nadag. Meron, di na nakuha ang isang katos niya.
Sino?
Ah, okay na. 250 ako, 50 na. Ikaw yung manasa kuya, Dick? Alim mo talaga? 100 niya yun.
Malilimutan mo pa ba aking
Ako ay posible.
na?
Ta 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 ta. Si Ilan, may tutino mo nagtuturo.
Hindi ko mag-alam.
Lipot.
Ang dapat sa'yo mo, di ka nagtuturo kay para aram mo.
Ay.
Hulihan ka mag-asin pa, mag-asin yung mo.
Ang skalon. Kaprina, dagan mo asin.
Nga ka lang ka kay ano, bulatihin ka.
Putot ng grill.
Uranus na eh. Saan? Kaya yun isa. Itamos mo yun.
Pravo. Hi, Pravo. Pravo. Hello, Pravo. Super post.
No, sinong corner ah? Uranus?
Today live, good day. Your hair like. Thank you, Pravo. Close up face.
Ay, nga pag macho kong tako.
Gawit mo.
Yan may pakyo.
Embrace your face.
No. Ano?
Ano?
Wow, face
Wala man.
super.
Eh?
Hindi nga nasabot, tumuyo lang. Ha? Tumuyo lang, hindi nasabot.
Bilog pa.
Hindi
Your
nasabot.
voice super.
Tumuyo lang.
Bilog pa.
Really? Your lips super. Thank you sa likes.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Who wants to join? Ano yung pangit ang mukbang? Mapapasama tayo sa word na mukbang. Paglapak. Close up face.
Wala.
Trinity, Binawal, Zone. Hello, Trinity. Wow, nice smile.
Ang sinilas mo na, tutok ko sa ikaw. Umutong, luksok ka.
SpongeBob.
Super. How is everything going?
I'm ready.
Fine.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Everything going good. Everything going fine. Tapos ng musika ang sandali. Sir John! Hi, Sir John! How are you? Miss you! Thank you, Sir John! Beautiful
Ulit kita,
day!
naubos
Thank
dito.
you, Trinity.
Ay, sorry,
May
kita.
kapag na mahulog.
Sorry.
Thank you, Trinity. Bravo! Hi, Bravo! Wow. What wow? Where are you from, Bravo? Queen? I'm a queen? Masaya na.
Umutong na, kalas may may klase sa aga. Umutong ko wala ka kasi kita ko wala sa uyok na.
Nay, mawato mag-curtail. Gigi kita sa kurnahin ko, Bim. Ano si Bim?
Ano ba?
Ano akong kamay?
Ang bilbil ko! Kanya.
Bilbil mo yan. Oo. Yun yung bilbil. Hello, pitlat pinahagap yan. Kabilang, ayun.
Siyempre kaya saan ang
Mabuwa pa. Pitlat nga ni.
Wala di! Bilbil.
Enjoy the video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Jess. Ay, mali. Mali. I read. Ano, mali pala. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Super. Hey. Look up bikes for sale in the Philippines. The Suzuki 400 catches my eye. Good size bike. Where's the bike? Super. Trinity. Thank you, Sir Jess. Thank you so much for watching. Dancing with my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, 21. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun.
Nagano niya. Kaya pa ya.
Daghan. Hey, Andrew. Sir Andrew, hi. Kapoy tayo. Ha? Tama lang. Thank you for the light. Wow, full bodies. You're so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Your hair like
Yay, savage.
thank you for watching. Our vision woman. Bye. Where are you from, Sir Andrew? Where are you from? Hi, Lee Goldring. Hey, beautiful lady. Hey. Hey, Sir Ray. From the USA. Where are you in USA? Where state do you live? Sir Andrew.
Yeah.
Thank you for the likes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. From Virginia. Okay. I'm from Kentucky. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina.
Nagpakito kukur na naman panunay.
give your phone number. Why?
Mga bawal lang talaga pag ano, kita ko.
Why ask
Banda.
your phone number? Ako na kunurulog yun. Para dito.
Kabilangga. Ay, dalaga.
Thank you for
Granger
the
pa yun
likes.
eh. Mga ano eh. Bawal pa nun ano, ganyan pa. Granger pa. Pwede ka lang sa tingin na eh. Granger pa.
I want to talk to Bicol. No. I don't talk to a stranger.
Pinangin magkano ha.
Are you single? I'm not single, Sir Ray. I'm married. I'm getting married soon. I'm engaged. Brad's Home Improvement. Hey. Hello. Congratulations. Thank you, Sir Rayan. Thank you, Sir Ray Goldring. Thank you so much.
Ano kung bago kung pagpakit ko. Granger pa. Ano yan? Mag-granger na eh.
I want to talk to your video call. Oh my God, no. I don't know you and you don't know me and I'm engaged. Give your phone number. Don't have phone number. Oh my God.
Hindi ka magkali.
Why you want to talk to me?
Ano ka kung sa luwas?
Sabi, pinasabits mo. Silo na pa no?
Oo, ano ka lang? Frozen.
Ay,
Hindi ako na.
Hi, Philly. Hi, Philly.
kaya punta. Kaya kung tayo ito, kaso ganito na kapilip sa lasanak ng mag-skill.
Pindot-pindot na ba na?
Muna pa ang tao.
Ako, ano ko niyan, decision talaga.
Kaya punta ka.
I want to talk video call for English communication English. Why? Where are you from? I'm not fluent for English. I'm not fluent English.
Ay, si Sandra.
Speak in English. You are really beautiful. Thank you, Carl. I feel sleepy now. Oh my God. Angela Nerosian. Hi, Angela. I need to sleep. I feel sleepy now.
Ano?
I feel sleepy.
Merit man, ano mabaya? Ang talang kaunan niya. Nawagan na.
Hindi na, so.
Angela. Angela, where are you from? Angela Nerosian.
Dilaw.
Oh girl, just wanna have
Ano, Brad?
fun.
Yung
Yung tray na.
Bye, pray na.
Phil, fuck yourself. Don't talk to her like that. I don't accept crazy people here on the live. I'm not entertaining you. Maybe you need to go to another channel and they will entertain you. Something like that. But not here. Duh.
Uy, control.
Matag siya daw yan niya. Rooms yan, no? Ha?
I don't like toxic people, narcissists, toxic, liars, scammers, the fake people. I don't like, I hate liars, fake. Feel excuse me.
Si Papi,
Oh.
so direct.
Papi.
So direct na.
Dali. Yung lyrics ang kalaban, no? Lugi kita sa una.
So direct na.
Gusto mo na naman na, no? Rock tolerate. Yung Jerome sa tolerate. Oo talaga.
Oh my god, I feel sleepy na.
Tolerate ng lyrics.
Dali ko naliwag ka rin yan ha. Sige. So, maghanap pag may nagdumos pa naman. Tama? Yung grade ko, dito tayo na tagamit ang kapalitan ng gamit. Luwag na isang tuloy na
Oh my god.
Garang, ano, stano. Puro physical, o sa ulang talaga.
Oh girl, just wanna have fun.
Ano po dito? Pasig? Eto. Sinakit ko magpatay ko. Nag-flame shot na isa la. Tinutok ng punta. Ay, manasabot. Ay, no, kay clear pang minyan ko. Bakit masilit?
Kung sa ato na siya na no,
Going to sleep na. Gabi nga ada din na bag mo. Sama ko nakita nga ada yun. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Oh my God. Meron na kuya. Oh girl, I just wanna have fun. Gab, kuwari ito na ulunan. Gab. Gab. Ay, sa'yo mo ito na sa'yo. Hindi na ulunan. Well, what? Well. Well. I like your face. Wah. Kumpas ng musika. Cause I'm your light. I'm going to sleep, my God. Goodbye. I need to go to sleep. I feel sleepy. See, bye. I can't. Oh my God. I don't have time for you, Harold. Sorry. Bye-bye. I need to go to sleep because tiring. See you then. See ya. Kumpas ng musika. Bye-bye.
Sa ano?